In this video, I'll show you how to get 300% bonus on 1xBet. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to get 300% bonus on 1xBet, this is exactly what you should do. The first thing, come over to your 1xBet account and click on registration. Once you click on registration, you're going to choose the third option that says by email. This is the only option that is going to allow you to get 300% bonus. So once you choose that option, you're going to fill in your surname, your name, your country, your date of birth, and your currency. So once you've chosen your currency, you're going to put in a valid email address and create a password that follows these criteria or requirements. Once you've done that, in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, OneXBet is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you are going to receive $300 as bonus, which you can use to bet. So you are going to receive a bonus if you use this code LEOTV. Once that is done, just click on these three last boxes here and register your account. If your details are correct, your account is going to be registered, and you just go ahead and deposit your first capital on 1xBet, and you're going to receive 300% bonus on that money that you deposit.